So this is where we're working now, the Weston in Savannah. We've sanded this room by the elevators. We've got the video of this, what we've been doing. This is a bar called the Midnight Sun, which is locked up right now. We've sanded and finished it. An entranceway. Now we're moving toward the front desk area. And you can see all the furniture and everything is covered up. We've sanded this area. We've done the boutique. Done all the floors in there, they're just not coated. This is the main entrance area. This is the front door entrance. Front desk area. Another front desk area. And I'm working towards another area. Got a really cool plant wall over here. Front desk area. Yep. And this thing is just cool. It's a plant wall. It's plants growing right out of the wall. It's pretty cool. But anyway, going toward the front door. There's River Street across the river. Pretty cool place to work. It gives free lunch too.